So I was really happy. The first thing I did was to call my family and tell them that I received offer. So I was really happy. It was more than what I was expecting. So definitely on that front also I was really happy that I got the package which was more than what I had in my mind.
As I said, basically from the last year, in the COVID period, we had some companies didn't show up, or even if they showed up, there were few less number of offers. But this year we could see 1.5 growth in the number of companies as well as the offers, and the students are basically interested towards data science, data analytics, and operation research. And in the core side, they're interested in R&D sector. And the quality of the students can be depicted through the number of offers and the number of companies which are coming, and the overall quality can be depicted by the how the IITM provides the education. No, definitely not, because the quality was not at all compromised, because even if it was online, we could see it in the in the online mode. We could grasp the concepts and all, but the only thing which was lacking is the student teacher interaction, right, like in the face to face interaction, but it was fine.
Yes, it was challenging. We started we started on an apprehensive note that we won't be able to achieve these numbers, but because those challenges existed, we were able to solve those problems. So we reached out again, proactively reaching out to the companies on time, getting students registered on time, training students on placement preparation. Team is there in the college which helps students to prepare for placements and help them to prepare for placements in an online format, to prepare for interviews in virtual format, and to take tests in virtual format. So this is how we prep. More number of companies, more number of offers, and in terms of packages as well, that was on a higher increase.
I think at IIT Madras there has been a very strong emphasis on students, being encouraged to establish their own companies. IIT Madras has the IIT Madras Incubation Cell, which is part of the Research Park facility, and I think there is a very good encouragement and also interest among our students to establish and essentially start their own companies. And if you look at the current trends, right, so nearly around 2/3 of our students appear for placements, and 15% go for higher studies, and amongst the remaining students, quite a few go for startups.